Welcome to my channel. Orbi 970 Setup. 1. Unbox your Orbi 970 system. Take out the router and satellites, along with the power adapters and Ethernet cable. 2. Connect the Orbi router to your modem. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router's Internet port to your modem. 3. Power on the Orbi devices. Plug the router and satellites into power outlets and turn them on. Wait for the power LED to turn solid white or blue. 4. Download the Orbi app. Install the Orbi app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, on your smartphone or tablet. 5. Open the Orbi app, launch the app and sign in with your Netgear account, or create one if you're new to Netgear. Six. Follow the on-screen setup instructions. The app will guide you through connecting to your Orbi router and detecting satellites automatically. 7. Place the satellites optimally. Position satellites in different areas of your home for optimal coverage. Check the app for signal strength and adjust placement if necessary. 8. Set up your Wi-Fi network. Create a custom Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password via the app. This will secure your connection. 9. Update the firmware. Allow the app to check for and install the latest firmware updates for your Orbi system. This ensures improved performance and security. 10. Test your network. Connect your devices to the new Orbi Wi-Fi network and verify a strong, reliable connection throughout your home. Thanks for watching.